As the summer days get shorter and shorter, a new season begins at Hawk Haven Winery. The air becomes crisper, the vineyard gets cooler, and the grapes, they're ready for harvest. From the vineyard to the winery, every step is a testament to our commitment to quality. That is where the magic happens, where grapes transform into the wines that dances on your palate. Each grape is hand-picked, ensuring only the best makes it from our vineyard to your glass. Harvest begins in late summer when we harvest Chardonnay and Pinot Noir for our sparkling wine program. We then continue to closely monitor the remaining grapes, checking the ripening process regularly to make sure we harvest when they are at their best. The white varietals typically head straight to the wine press where the juice is gently extracted and sent into stainless steel tanks to ferment. Our red varietals will make their way to the crusher in December, but we aren't done with those berries just yet. Here in this wine tote, we have the berries and juice of our Malbec. The continued contact of the juice and the skins will result in those deep red tones and tannic structure of a red wine. While the wine is in these totes, we will regularly punch down the macerated berries, essentially stirring the pot. And this is going to ensure that the juice is in constant contact with grape skins throughout the fermentation process. After about a week or two, depending on fermentation parameters, the totes are emptied into the press where the juice is officially separated from the skins and sent into tanks to complete fermentation if they haven't done so already. Then this wine will be moved into barrels to begin the aging process. So even as the season comes to an end, we're already looking forward to the next harvest, because here, every grape matters, every bottle tells a story, and every sip is a celebration. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.